Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts using self-rising flour. Mix 2 cups self-rising flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup milk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons melted butter into a soft dough without overmixing. Lightly knead for 1 minute, rest the dough briefly, then roll to about 3.5 inches thick and cut shapes. Fry or bake as preferred, then glaze or dust with sugar while warm. Start by weighing and arranging your ingredients for a smooth workflow. Measure 2 cups self-rising flour and keep 1 cup milk at room temperature to help the dough come together. Beat 1 egg into the milk, then stir in 2 tablespoons melted butter and 2 tablespoons sugar. Combine wet and dry ingredients gently to avoid tough donuts, and have your cutting tools and fry oil or oven preheated and ready. Gently mix just until the dough comes together, keeping it slightly sticky for a tender crumb. Turn the dough onto a floured board and pat or roll to about 3.5 inches thickness for classic donut size, then cut with a donut cutter or 2 round cutters. Let cut pieces rest briefly while you heat oil to 350 degrees F or place on a sheet for baking. Handle dough lightly to preserve air and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.